Still don't know how to create crypto algo trading strategies? Here we are. We have launched specially crypto marketplace Crypto Bazaar for you, where you can access expert created crypto algo trading strategies and trade them in just one click. Hello traders, welcome back to AlgoTest. In today's video, I have brought up a ready-made Bitcoin option selling strategy. Let's see how you can access those crypto ready-made strategies. Here we are on the AlgoTest dashboard. If you are a new user and watching our video first time, you can create a new AlgoTest account by just clicking on the sign up button. You can create a new account either from your phone number or from your email address, and if you already have a Delta Exchange account, then you can just directly create an account using your Delta Exchange credentials. So I already have an AlgoTest account. Let's just log in into it. We are on the AlgoTest dashboard. To go to the Crypto Bazaar, we'll have to click on the marketplace from top navbar, and from here we have to click on the Crypto Bazaar. As you can see on my screen, on Crypto Bazaar, there are two types of views. One is creator view and one is algo view. Let's just talk about first creator view. In creator view, you can see all of the creators who has published their crypto algo trading strategy on AlgoTest. On each creator profile, you can see how many strategy they have published and how many people have saved these strategies. And if you talk about algo view, in the algo view section, you can see all of the crypto algo trading strategies published by all of the creators. And in the Crypto Bazaar, there are 200 plus algo trading strategies published by all of the creators. You can access them, backtest them, and trade them in just one click. On algo view page, you can also filter out the strategy by the strategy type. For example, if you want to trade in crypto option buying strategy, then you can just click on the buying button and all of the crypto option buying strategy will be filtered out and shown to you. And similarly, if you want to trade on crypto option selling strategy, then you can just click on the selling button and all of the crypto option selling strategy will be shown to you. So you can decide which type of strategy you want to trade in. So now let's just pick a strategy and see how you can use it. So for the sake of this video, we will be seeing Boom Trader algo trading strategy. So as you can see on my screen, the Boom Trader has published one crypto algo trading strategy. And if you talk about the margin requirement for this strategy, it is just 2500 rupees. Once we click on the strategy card, we can see all of the information. The strategy name, the creator name, the date on strategy is published. This strategy is published on 14 April 2026. Along with that, you can also see on which day creator is suggesting to activate the strategies. And this strategy has been saved by 74 people till the date it is published. Along with that, you can also see the strategy type. As you can see on my screen, this is an intraday strategy which take trades on Bitcoin. And it is an option selling strategy. Now, let's just move to the next step and backtest this strategy. So, to backtest this strategy, we can choose the duration on which we want to backtest it. So, I'll pick it max duration and we'll run a backtest of it. As you can see on my screen, the backtest is completed and we can now see the backtest result of this strategy. So whenever you backtest a trading strategy, there are two mandatory things which you have to keep in mind. First is slippages. And since the crypto market are very volatile, we will add a 5% slippages in this strategy. We'll just click on add toggle, we'll add slippages. So we have added 5% slippages and we have also enabled the taxation charges, which is second most mandatory thing in backtesting. As you can see on my screen, this strategy has made 12,000 rupees in 2025 and 2026 with just a capital of 2,500 rupees, which is a good return. And this strategy has given a drawdown of 1,600 rupees. If you want to see the result in percentage, you can just turn the show percentage toggle on and you will see the result in percentage. So this strategy has made a profit of 497% in a span of 1.5 years. Along with that, the strategy has a win rate of 61%, average P&L per trade is 25 rupees, and the risk to reward of this strategy is 1.04. And the maximum loss it has taken in a single trade is 495 rupees. We can also see the equity curve, and along with that, if we click on the drawdown session, we can also see the drawdown of this strategy over the historical data. If we scroll down, we can also see the year-wise and month-wise P&L distribution. We just have to click on this drop-down and it will show you month-wise P&L distribution. Another important thing which you have to keep in mind while backtesting a ready-made strategy, that is, you can filter out the result according to the weekdays. So we'll just click on the weekdays section and we will see on which day it is performing worst, and we will remove that day to enhance the trading strategy. So one by one, we'll check the result of it. As you can see on Monday, it has made a profit of 2,377 rupees in 2025 with a drawdown of 581 rupees, which is a good number. If we see on the Tuesday, it has made 542 rupees with a max drawdown of 482 rupees, which is an average number because the return and max drawdown is almost equal. Let's see on the Wednesday. The Wednesday is also not good, so we'll remove that. If we talk about Thursday, Thursday is very good for this trading strategy. It has made 3,128 rupees in Thursday. If we talk about Friday, Friday is also a good trading day. Saturday, I will say it is an average day because the profit you have made is 711 rupees and the max drawdown you have, it is 800 rupees. When the max drawdown and the profit you have made is equal, then the performance of the strategy is average. If we talk about Sunday, then Sundays are worse. So what we will do is, we will remove Sunday, Wednesday and Tuesday. So after optimizing this strategy, we have seen a drastic change in the performance of the strategy. Our PNL is now 8,757 rupees in 2025 with just a max drawdown of 1,161 rupees. If we see the overall result, earlier our max drawdown was 1,600 rupees, but now our max drawdown is just 1,100 rupees. So using this type of optimization, you can optimize your trading strategy to enhance the performance of it. So this was the first step. Now let's just go to the next step and execute the strategy in forward test and algo trade. So for that, we'll just click on save and trade. One more thing which I want to tell you is, in crypto marketplace, Crypto Bazaar, there are two types of strategy. One is premium and one is free. To execute the free strategy, you don't need to buy any crypto marketplace plan. But to execute the premium strategy, you have to buy the strategy plan. So if we talk about this strategy, you have to click on unlock button, and if you want to execute this strategy, then you have to buy the plan and it will cost you around 2,000 rupees for a month. And if you talk about the quarterly plan, it is of around 3,500 rupees. Once you have taken the plan, you just have to go to Algo Trade page to execute the strategy in live. And in the Algo Trade page, you'll see a Crypto Bazaar Algo section. You just have to click on that, and from there, you'll see your saved strategy, and then you just have to click on activate button to activate it. The same process goes on if you want to activate on forward test. Means if you want to paper trade the strategy, then you just have to go to forward test page, Crypto Bazaar Algos, then from here you can activate the same strategy. To conclude, I have shown you how you can access expert created ready-made crypto algo trading strategies and execute them live in just one click. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, and if you have any doubt, you can directly connect with us from the comment section. See you in the next video.